In Codespark today, we're going to go into the puzzle section and take a look at loops. Loops are when you want to repeat a certain step of the program and you don't want to just say it over and over and over and over in your program. So let's say I want my character to walk 6 steps. Instead of saying walk, 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 I could put the walk command inside of a loop and tell it to do it 6 times. So in this program, in this level, I'm going to start with dynamite to get rid of the boxes. And then I'm going to pull in my loop. And in my loop, I want my character to build boxes. And I can change the number of boxes between 1 and 5 or use the infinity symbol. I'm going to have my character make 3 boxes and then jump up in order to get that gem and the wrench. And let's see how that program looks. Oh, looks like I only needed 2 boxes. But that's how you use the looping tool in Codespark.